Create a hyper-realistic 5D cinematic video of a paradise tanager in the heart of the Amazon rainforest. The bird should be the only subject, perched gracefully on a mossy branch, its radiant feathers shimmering in sunlight, blue head, green back, yellow chest, and crimson rump glowing vividly. No background music, no narration, no other animals, only the natural ambient sound of the paradise tanager's unique calls and chirps echoing in the forest. The camera should slowly circle around the bird in ultra-detailed close-ups, capturing feather texture, eye reflections, and slight movements as it sings. Emphasize immersive 5D sound so the viewer feels surrounded by the bird's voice and the depth of the jungle silence.